Hi, and welcome back to Cash and Coins. As you know, the markets are a little crazy. Well, they're really bullish, and that's a good thing. So I was looking at some recent transactions that I did, some recent purchases, and this is what I found, and I thought I might share it. So I posed myself the question when I was looking at this, did I just double my money with silver? Well, almost. On June 10th, 2019, about a year ago, I bought 10 ounces of silver. Back then, Bullion used to sell 10 ounces of silver at spot. I did buy one order of these 1 ounce rounds for a total of 10 ounces of the silver buffalo rounds. So let's do the math, and I'm showing you the receipt here also so you can see. I paid $148.40 for 10 ounces. So that's about $14.84 per troy ounce. So I went to the Bullion return on investment calculator, put in the numbers, ounces purchased 10, spot price $14.84, and there it is. That's an 80.73%, almost 100% return on investment for silver in just about 1 year. This is real life, folks. Now, you know I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what happened with me. So I know that, and now I want to talk about gold. All right, I just want to talk about gold, specifically fractional gold, okay? I know that fractional gold comes with some pretty high premiums. So let me show you that in a bull market like this one, you can still make money even with fractional gold. So let's go back here to the Bullion return on investment calculator, and we'll do gold again. 1/10 ounce, spot price was $1,464. Let's do the math. Current price is $2,038.91 times a 1/10 ounce equals $203.89. And I bought gold back then at $168.89. So let's subtract that $203.89 from $168.89, and that comes out to $35, or a 17% return on investment for gold, for fractional gold, in less than 1 year. Now, at spot, let's look at it at spot, it would be $57.40, or a 39.27 return on investment. You can do this by purchasing gold on an ETF like the Perth Mint ETF. I think it's AAAU, which tracks the gold spot price index. I know many don't play the market. I'm just giving you some options to consider. I have gone that route, bought my gold ETF shares and sold them at a profit. It's worked out for me. So like I said, I'm just showing you what I do, not a financial advisor, but it can really work for you. With all that said, again, I'm not telling you to get an ETF. I'm not telling you to buy physical gold. I'm not a financial advisor or any of that. But I'm just showing you how I made, I almost doubled my money with silver and then made another, a 17% rate of return on my gold, on my fractional gold, which is very expensive. As I just wanted to show you a few things that you could actually do with gold and silver. If I did my fractional gold price that I paid, I would have made $35, which is a 17% rate of return. If I would have bought, I did buy, I should say, the silver at spot at $14.84, and I got almost 81%, a 80.73 rate of return for that in just about a year. Not many places can you make that much money, and this doesn't happen always, but it does happen with your precious metals. So that's why I play long term. I try to keep it as much as I can. When things like this happen, I can decide to sell like many other YouTube creators have decided to do. Or I can just hold for the next bull market. Well, thank you for watching Cash and Coins, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching Cash and Coins. Please like and subscribe.